give you a quick look on this glasses, how they look at me. This is the kind of glasses that you could wear for riding a motorcycle or something like that. And I tell you, I love them so far. Now I got two of them and they're gonna be really inexpensive. For the money that you pay for, they look pretty good, and I think they fit just fine in my face. So obviously I got the clear ones. I also have the dark looking one here as well, so they look just like regular sunglasses. But the thing that I like about this is that if you are becoming older and you need help to be able to read, this is going to have the reading section down here, and you could get it in many different levels. Me personally, I got the 1.0, so it's kind of like the basics, and I'm telling you, they are really helpful. Now obviously as you get older, your eyes may not focus as good as it's supposed to be, and then you're gonna need a little bit of help. But the thing that I was having issues with is that when I was riding my motorcycle, I switched to the black ones, but when I was riding my motorcycle, I wasn't able to see the map. So as I have my phone right next to my bars, I'm trying to, you know, drive to my destination, and a lot of times you have those little notifications that it tells you 3 miles, 4 miles or whatever to my location, make a right, make a left or whatever, and I wasn't able to see it. So I love the fact that you can kind of look down and you're able to have that magnification, and that help while essentially wearing this sunglasses to be able to ride your motorcycle. So I'm going to give you a quick look right here just so you can have an idea. But again, you know, they're made out of some kind of plastic. This is the clear one. You can kind of see there, they come in different styles, different colors, all that. Here's the black ones right there. Has that nose rest section right there. They do sit pretty comfortable in your face. Here's a look right here. And again, I like the fact that they're not too expensive, so you could just use it and throw them in the back of your bike or something like that, and that's it. They do come with like a little bag, you know, you could clean the glasses and obviously protect it as well. Here's a good look right here just to give you an idea. So again, if you're looking for some reading glasses or something like that that you could utilize to ride your motorcycle and obviously be able to see better, this may be a choice for some of you guys out there. It's been a couple weeks since I got him, and I gotta tell you, so far I really like it.